Today we will be reviewing the world's first QD-OLED TV, Sony's first QD-OLED display, the 2022 Sony Bravia A95K. We will also be answering the question, is QD-OLED better than Mini LED? Is an 8K monitor necessary as of 2022? The A95 is Sony's first QD-OLED display, and the A95K is the first Sony model to feature it. Bravia is the name for Sony's long-running series featuring the Bravia engine processor. Unboxing. The A95K comes in 55-inch and 65-inch displays. The remote is illuminated, which we feel that any TV at this price point should include. Integrated apps include Google TV, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, and the Bravia Core, which gives you access to several films with the purchase of this TV. The true highlight of the A95K is its contrast ratio and brightness. The low lag, especially while watching 4K movies, is also a plus. Experience immersive cinematic content with support for Dolby Vision, IMAX Enhanced, and Netflix Adaptive Calibrated Mode. Take your gaming to the next level with input lag as low as 8.5 milliseconds and Bravia XR exclusive features for the PlayStation 5. Get the advantage in high-performance gaming with 4K 120Hz VRR, ALLM as specified in HDMI 2.1. Streaming services? Yes. Screen brightness, 600.34 nits. Black level, 0CD/M-HAT2. Contrast ratio, NA.
Or it varies, I think.
Refresh rate, 120Hz. VRR, yes. Input lag, game mode, 9.8 milliseconds. AMD FreeSync, none. NVIDIA G-Sync, none. The A95K also has an advanced sound system, with two rear-firing woofers that utilize a bass reflex by firing against the back wall that the display is hung on. Is QD-OLED better than Mini LED? Yes, QD-OLED offers higher contrast ratio, and the picture can be improved through firmware updates. In dark scenes, QD-OLED TVs perform much better than QLED TVs. Is an 8K monitor necessary as of 2022? No, as of 2022, only video games are available in 8K, whereas virtually no films are available in 8K. The only other downfall is that your source material is lower resolution than the screen it is being shown on. It can actually pixelate the image, thus giving a lower quality. So a 4K video on a 4K TV can look better than a 4K movie on an 8K screen, upscaling aside. This display can be set up in two different configurations, with the provided TV stand, one with the stand in front and the other with the stand behind for a more streamlined look. The A95K also features a Bravia webcam that does include a closing shutter. Come on now. Okay. Alright.
Perfect. So now we're gonna lift this thing. Oh.
Inputs and outputs. The A95K features one LAN port, one R232C remote port, one AV stereo composite input, one USB 500 MA port, one USB 900 MA port, 4 HDMI inputs including 4K 120Hz input, and one EARC.
Do you know what ARC stands for with HDMI?
What?
Audio return. So it can send it both ways.
One coax input, one optical audio out, one center channel speaker output terminal, one IR remote port, one microphone on-off switch. There's only one physical TV control button on this display, so you better not lose the remote.
These are always... Oh, these ones were too hard to open. They failed on that. I was going to ask me for that stupid Wi-Fi password. I don't know. Fine, we'll do it real quick. Oh, not this again. Oh, I got my... Oh. Fine. Yeah, none.
Angel Stadium in Anaheim. Major League Baseball on tap. It's the Cleveland Guardians and the Los Angeles Angels. First pitch coming your way next. So just about set now. It's going to be Miles Straw. The line to kick the pitch. That one off the mark, and that's how this game gets started. And the 1-0. And there's a foul ball. A wind of the pitch. And a count 1-2. And down on strikes. One away. And the batter will be the shortstop, Ahmed Rosario. Didn't play in last night's game. A little breather for him. Well, hit the other way. That one going back and foul.
Well, pitcher's probably thinking he's a little late on that pitch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to speed him up, not give him something off speed that he can handle.
In the air, right side. He's got it, and there's 2 away. Now it's Jose Ramirez. 2 for 8 in the series so far. Next pitch is popped up. And that's the 3rd out. Bottom of the 1st. Here's David Fletcher.
King of the Hill.
Take the hill. Step 2, don't dive.
Hill ready. Enemy team took the hill. Hill control.
Keep your head down.
got something here.
One of us?
Hey, Palm, where are your people? Anybody in D block?
That's a negative. We're all in operations. Any movement?
Nothing. Zip.
Newt, go sit up front. Go on, now!
Gonna be alright. Give me a hand. We gotta get her out of here.
What is it, Deidre? What's going on?
Convulsion!
Get back!
Newt! No, don't move. Stay very still. We're almost there. Hang in there, okay? Hicks.
I know.
Hurry!
I know.
I mean it! Newt! Newt, just stay still. No! Newt!
The reviews are listed below. Thanks for watching.